Hello everyone. This will be our second video on how to integrate for asset management analysts multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hi. In our previous video, we talked about the challenges of the traditional model and the need for a multi-agent solution with AI. Today, I want to dive deeper into how this multi-agent system works. Can you give me an overview of the structure and key components?
Of course. The multi-agent system with AI is, in essence, an integrated platform composed of several mini-systems or agents, each specialized in a particular function. These agents communicate with each other autonomously, or, if necessary, can operate in hybrid mode, where a supervisor, either internal or an external consultant, monitors and adjusts their operation. In addition, the system is designed to scale and adapt to changes in the business environment, allowing new agents to be added as needed.
I see. So instead of relying on a single person to manage all the tasks, we have a team of agents who specialize in specific areas. What are those key components or modules of the system?
Imagine that the system is organized in several essential modules. For example, we have the data collection and normalization agent. This agent is in charge of collecting information from all our sources, from CSV files, data from CMMS, ERP, or SCADA systems, to complementary documents such as audits and technical studies. Thus, all information is centralized in a unified format. Once the information is collected, this agent is also in charge of verifying its quality, eliminating redundancies, and detecting possible errors in the data. Next, we have the project and operations monitoring agent. This agent monitors the status of projects in real time, detects anomalies in production or construction progress, and sends automatic alerts in case of any incident. In addition, this agent can predict possible schedule delays and suggest corrective actions before they become a major problem.
And as for financial analysis, it is a critical area for us.
For financial analysis, we have the Financial Analysis and Predictive Scenarios agent. This module automates financial modeling, calculating key ratios such as IRR, ROI, or EBITDA, and simulating different scenarios based on critical variables. This allows us to anticipate changes and adjust our strategy proactively. It not only provides detailed financial reports, but also analyzes market trends and recommends investment strategies according to the company's profile. In addition, the Contractual Management and Compliance agent is integrated, which manages all contracts, both internal and with suppliers, using natural language processing techniques to extract relevant information, such as dates, clauses, and conditions, facilitating regulatory and fiscal monitoring. This agent can also detect legal risks or contractual breaches before they become legal problems.
So, each of these agents is in charge of a specific area, which allows us to automate much of the manual work that we do today in a traditional way. What other components are part of the system?
We also have the Reporting and Visualization agent, which consolidates and presents information in interactive dashboards and clear reports, facilitating the visualization of KPIs and key metrics. This agent also allows customizing reports according to the user's needs and generating automatic reports with key insights. On the other hand, the Risk Management and Insurance agent predictively analyzes potential incidents and manages claims with insurance companies. It can recommend policy adjustments or coverage changes based on risk analysis. And of course, we cannot forget the Communication and Collaboration agent, which is responsible for sending notifications, reminders, and even attending meetings, recording and transcribing conversations to extract proposals for improvement. This agent can also analyze the sentiment of conversations and provide executive summaries to speed up decision-making.
It is a very complete structure. I like how each agent has a well-defined role and, at the same time, they are integrated to give us a global and real-time view of our assets.
Exactly. With accurate, up-to-date data, we can identify opportunities for improvement, reduce downtime, and anticipate problems before they become critical failures. All of this translates into greater efficiency and a considerable return on investment. In addition, these agents can be continuously optimized through machine learning, allowing them to improve over time.
This integration of data and automation not only streamlines our processes, but also improves decision-making, allowing us to react quickly to any eventuality, right?
That's right. The global vision of the multi-agent system with AI allows us to transform the way we manage assets, combining automated analysis capabilities with human supervision in hybrid mode, ensuring flexibility and control at all times.
Excellent. Today you have given me a very clear picture of how this system is structured and what its key components are. It is clear that this approach can revolutionize our asset management, optimizing both operational efficiency and strategic decision-making.
I am glad you see it that way. The integration of these modules will allow you to face today's challenges and adapt quickly to the needs of the market. I am sure that in the next videos, we will go deeper into each module and see in detail how they bring value to your company.
Perfect. If before seeing the next one I have a specific question, could you please put me in contact with someone?
Of course you can. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacarrata via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve facility management.